So if you're looking to get some money to your PayPal account, definitely keep watching this video as I'll be showing you how exactly to make 100 daily. Welcome back guys, my name is Unpredictable and today I'll be showing you exactly how to get $153 inside your PayPal account. This is no glitch, this is no hack, this is actually really legit, and I do promise you, you can achieve this if you put some effort into it. If you go down below in the description, you gotta get Royal URL's website. This actually pays money. It's like AdFly, but 10 times better. If you keep scrolling, it will say best URL shortener of 2018. Manage your links. It will say some features, low minimum payout rate, friendly advertisements, meaning this website is 100% secured, admin panel, and so much more. I'll show you. Like, I haven't made much. I just only started it, but you can start loads. This is a new account I just created. Obviously I got one click, that's my tester. My average CPM is $4.90, obviously because I'm from United States, so you can see I do have one click, and this is how it works really. You shorten links, you share it, and you make money. Simple as this. Click on the URL here, type in URL, click on allies, you can change the name of your website, and then click on shorten. Once you click on shorten, you're going to get a link. All you got to do is share it through Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, anywhere. Even if you sign up, share a link down below at the bottom of this video, comment down below with the link, and I'll approve it, I'll pin you, whatever, and obviously no more people click it and they'll help you out. So help each other out, comment the link down below, click on each other's links, and help everyone out basically. So going to withdraw, I'll show you that I do have $1 available in my account just from signing up. So there we go, this is my withdraw funds, and as it says, available balance is $1.49, because I do have that one click. So this is amazing. Once I get $10, I can withdraw and I can get money to my PayPal account. Make sure to add payments, so make sure to add a payment and you also get money. So I definitely recommend this. Click on tools, you get many options here, and I do like this little feature where like you scroll, this the website name comes up like this. It's absolutely amazing, and when you scroll as well, the menu comes with it. Absolutely incredible. You get features, bookmarklet, full page script without having to do it individually. So yes, if you enjoyed this, make sure to leave a like, help each other out, comment the link down below in the description, share this video, and share Royal URLs around to your friends, your family, and yes, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video. Adios.